Hey everyone, welcome back. This is David. I just recently bought myself a headphone upgrade for my gaming setup right here, and the ones I got are the HyperX Cloud Stinger Wireless Edition. We're going to be opening these up today. I'm going to unbox them for you and give you a review. So let's get started with the video. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, here's the box for it if you want to take a look. You'll see in the bottom left it says that these are compatible with the PC, PS4, and PS4 Pro, but it's worth noting that these are also going to work with the Nintendo Switch so long as it's in the docked position. Also on the front here it tells you that we can expect about a 17-hour battery life on a full charge, which is actually pretty good. So let's see what's included inside the box. On the top, when you first open it, you'll find your instructions and whatnot. Then the next thing we got here is a little USB stick. This is what you'll plug into your device to connect your headphones. Next we've got the micro USB charging cable. Unfortunately it is not USB-C. And finally we've got the headphones right here. You'll see they come in this all black color, which I like the simplicity of. I noticed a few differences between these and the original HyperX Cloud Stingers. First, I can tell that the attached mic is different and now it's more bendy and adjustable, which is good. I will do a mic test later in the video, but I want to note that if you wish to mute your mic, all you need to do is push it up like this and that will mute it, and to unmute it you just bring it back down. On the left ear cup underneath the microphone they put the micro USB charger port here, and right next to that you'll find the power button. It's worth mentioning that these have an auto shut off feature for when you forget to turn them off. Near the power button there's a little LED light. This is your battery indicator, which will change from green to orange to red depending on how much battery you have left. Thankfully these are usable when they are plugged in, and that's a big plus too. Onto the right ear cup, you've got this volume wheel here, which is different than the volume slider that the cheaper wired versions have. And this wheel will actually control the volume of the PC itself rather than having its own volume control like the wired versions have. The headband of these are adjustable, and you'll see that it's made of metal, which is much more durable than other headsets that use all plastic. Here is how they're going to look normally, and here's an example of how they'll look with the headband fully extended. As for the comfort of this headset, in my opinion, it's great. That is the main reason I stayed with the HyperX brand when deciding to buy myself a new headset. I knew that the wired version of these were very comfortable, and luckily the ear cups on these seem to be exactly the same. Also, I almost forgot to mention that there is some cushioning at the top of the headband where it will rest on your head, and that seems to be just fine, no complaints there. The setup process is super simple. Just plug the USB adapter into your device, turn on your headphones with the power button, and they should automatically connect. It's very easy. So after using these headphones for a couple of days now, I have a good understanding of the quality of sound. It's pretty much what you would expect from any gaming headset, and I think the sound is exactly the same as the wired version. If you're a gamer, you'll be able to hear footsteps pretty well and also know which directions they're coming from. I don't listen to much music on my PC, but if you do plan on listening to music, these will also work great for that. I tested it out and it seems to work just fine for me. Okay, so here's a quick demonstration of the mic quality. From what I can hear, the audio is okay, but it's not the greatest. It has a little bit of a tinny sound to it, but that's the trade-off that you have to make when you get a wireless headset. The microphone quality is not going to be as good as something that's wired. For me, I'm not going to be using this mic. I'm just going to fold it up to mute it and then use my Razer Seiren Elite desktop microphone. But if you plan on using this for Discord and gaming in general, it'll still work just fine for you and people will be able to hear you clearly enough. Also, while I'm here doing the mic test, you can get an idea of how it looks when you have it on. It's not too wide and obnoxious like some other headsets are, but it is a little bit wide. And yeah, it feels pretty comfortable. Overall, I'm happy with it. One thing to mention is this microphone seems to actually mute the audio if it doesn't sense activity, which is a good thing because sometimes you're just not saying anything, but there might be some background noise or just you breathing, and nobody wants to hear that. So this mic seems to have a certain threshold that it will actually turn on when it hears a loud enough sound. So mainly for when you're talking. And when you're not talking, it'll go quiet. So let me see if I can demonstrate that. So as you can hear, it completely goes silent. You don't even hear background noise. But as soon as I start talking again, you'll be able to hear what's going on. Okay, so I think that's all you need to know about the HyperX Cloud Stinger wireless gaming headset. I'll be using these as my main headset for the time being, so I should be able to answer any questions you might have, so definitely leave them in a comment below. If you enjoyed my video, please leave a like. I hope you all have a good day. I'll see you next time.